To see this ordering of integers happen before our own eyes, let's take a look at an example. So here I have three integers, 5, -3, and 2, and I'd like to order them from the smallest up to the largest. So we might have to actually rearrange these things, and so actually I'm going to, right now, allow us to move them around by using the cutting property of mathematics. That's just a joke. There's no cutting property of mathematics. But there's a cutting property of scissors, and you should never run with them. Okay, so here we go. Now, how would you order them? Well, I'm just going to put these numbers on the number line and see where we go. So 5 is way off to the right. That means that's pretty big. 2 is a little bit to the right, but not as far to the right, so it's smaller than 5. And -3 is way off to the left. And so therefore, when I see this, this automatically gives me the ordering. -3 is the smallest of the three numbers. 2 is in between. And 5 is the largest. And so the ordering would, from smallest to largest is -3 to 5. And we can see that by seeing their locations on the number line and reading from left to right. Let's try one more. So here we've got a bunch of them. -1, 1, -4, and 0. So I use the cutting property. Aren't numbers a real cut up? Okay, so now we have the numbers. And now let's put them on the number line. So let's see. So -1 is just a little bit to the left of 0. 1 is a little to the right of 0. -4 is way off to the left. And 0 goes right in between. All right, well, now that we have this ordering, this actually tells us smallest to largest. -4 is the smallest, moving from left to right. Then we get to -1. Then we get to 0. And then we get to 1. So the ordering from smallest to largest is -4, -1, 0. And finally, 1 is the biggest. Very cool. That's the power of ordering using a number line.